Hello, you're watching TorqueKingTV. I'm Matt, your product highlight video host. Today I'm going to be showcasing the QT1011. It is a 2 1/16 hex head spindle nut socket for Jeeps for the years 1941 to 1981 on the CJ5, CJ6, CJ7, and the CJ8. It also works on International Scouts for the 1961 to 1980 models. It uses a 1/2-inch driver. This thin wall half drive socket is an absolute necessity to properly service the front wheel bearing on your vintage Jeep or International Scout. This high quality hex front spindle nut socket is made right here in the USA. There is very little clearance between the spindle nut and hub, so a standard 2 1/16 socket will not work.